Today I'm gonna talk about the Aztecs. The Aztecs were some people in Mexico. They were very bad actually. They ripped out people's hearts and used them for the sun god, for the sacrifices. So why did they do this? This is the terrible tale. Once in a while, people were eating maize, so they grew into giants. So these giants were not big enough to hold their heads up when a flood came. So all of them died out. But there were two giants, and they were called Nini and Tata, and they started the second generation of humans. So these people started next generation because they clinged into the tree. Because they clinged into the tree, they got tails and grew into monkeys. But still, the second generation went over. So the next generation, another disaster came. A wind. This wind was so strong, the next generation died out. But another two people survived by clinging to a rock. So they started the third generation, which fell by the rain of blood and fire. So we come to the fourth generation. After the rain of blood and fire, there was nothing happening. So it was the age of the gods. So all these gods were very unhappy that there was no sun, because it was put out by the rain of blood and fire. So one god had an idea. So all the other gods made a huge bonfire so that the god would jump in and become the sun. But the god was too far busy to become the sun today. So another god came, took a long run, a step, a hop, and landed in the fire. The earth had a ball of light, the sun. That other god also wanted to be the sun, but he turned out to be the moon, because the moon would reflect the sun, but they didn't know. They thought the moon also gave light. So the other god did the same, took a long run, a hop, a step, and landed in the fire. Another ball of light, the moon. Then someone said the sun isn't moving. That was true. So one god has given his life to make the sun. He wanted all the other to give their lives before he would set off on the journey around the earth. So they came to the feathered god Quetzalcoatl and got their hearts ripped out, and so that the sun, moon went off. So that brings us to the fifth generation, the one the Aztecs lived in. So these Aztecs got the idea and got the stories. So if the gods gave their lives, we should do the same. We need to give the sun regular supplies of heart. That's why they did all this. But not for so long. The Spanish conquistadors landed here, and the Aztecs fell down a lot quickly than they had risen. They had to be bloodthirsty to survive in those times. There were many other people. So they've crowded over all of central Mexico. They even had spies to conquer more land. So bye.